Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
Careless Carol. Moral story. 8-year-old Carol was a careless girl. She never took care of her toys and kept losing all of them. Carol's father was tired of buying new toys for her. He warned her, "I've got a big doll for you. But if you lose this one, you will not get any more toys." Carol loved the doll and promised she would never lose it. But only 2 days later, her father found the doll in the garden. He was very angry with Carol and hid the doll. He called out for Carol and asked her for her doll. She looked everywhere but could not find it. Remembering her father's warning, she began to cry. "Father, I am sorry, I have lost the doll. I promise I will take care of all my toys from now on," Carol apologized. Her father returned the doll and Carol never lost her toys again.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.